Hi, if you ever make tutorials, you're gonna love this Chrome extension. But even if you sometimes have to send some screenshots over to help desks or developers or people that need your screens, this Chrome extension can be very handy, since this blur page will blur the information on the page that you don't want them to see. As you can see on this slide, here I blurred out all these sensitive fields and elements on my web page, like my IP address or my password or the port or the username. So this has all been done with the click of a mouse. And how this works, I'm going to show you now. My name is Olaf and I am your tool finder. And today we're going to talk about BlurPage. So why did I need this extension? Well, I was making affiliate tutorial videos about this web hosting party I use, and I am very happy with the service they offer, so I thought I would write a blog about this. And therefore I obviously shot some tutorials and obviously also some screens, as you saw in the beginning, with confidential information on it. But I also needed to send screenshots to developers with confidential information on it, like passwords. And initially I just shot my videos or my screenshots and then I would blur it afterwards. So either in my image editing software like 𝗙𝗏 or in my video editing software. But especially in videos, that often goes wrong, takes skills and takes a lot of time. And now you might say, why does that go wrong, or why does it take skills? Well, obviously you don't want to blur the wrong parts of the video, and you don't want to blur it too long, or even worse, too short, because then the information would be visible. So it would be very handy if you could just have some software to blur the parts of the screen temporarily, shoot your video, and afterwards you just, disable the extension. And as said, it does not only work for videos, but also for screenshots. And the times I had to send stuff to developers or to help desks are numerous. And also in that cases, this extension works like a charm. What is BlurPage? It is a Chrome extension with which you can do actually only one thing, just blur the elements or text that you don't want people to see. And I'm going to show you in a bit how this works in practice. And with one click of your mouse, you can just hide the parts of the web page in Chrome, and you can take your screenshot or make your video. The features of BlurPage are fairly limited, obviously, but what it has to do, it does very well. So it blurs your elements, it can blur some text, and it has a right-click option to blur the text that you have selected. As you can see, this is, for example, the product page of BlurPage, and here they demonstrate this in a video how it works. So if we would have it enlarged, this is what you would see. Here we have the BlurPage magic wand. This is the paint roller. Here is the eraser, and the rest is just to close and to have information about the extension. So that's all you can do. Blur it, and erase it. The benefits of BlurPage are, it's very easy to use. There is not much you can do, so that is a great benefit, obviously. And it's a big, huge time saver, because normally when you shoot a video with sensitive information in it, you first have to look up the parts where the sensitive information is. Then you have to go to your video editor and detect the exact starting time and the stop time of the part you want to blur, and then you would have to really be careful of what you're actually blurring. So one of the biggest benefits of BlurPage is that you have always the correct text or element blurred, and only that area and not other areas, and not too long or too short. If it's too late in the video, still your sensitive information will be shown, and if it's too soon, you will blur out items or pieces of your video that should not be blurred. And it's a very cheap extension, as you can see when you go to the product page. So let us see how this works in practice. So let's assume this is the page that I want to blur some sensitive information of. I will go to the extension, click on it, and here you will see the toolbar. Immediately it is already in blur mode, So I can just click the elements that I want to blur, and as you could see, I could click the whole one or just smaller pieces of it, or this, or the thing itself, whatever you want. Another option is you can switch it to text select mode. Then you can just select this text and blur it like this. So for example, if you have a list of addresses and you don't want these to be published on the internet in your video or on your screenshot, you just click on the extension and hide the elements that you don't want people to see. Simple as that. And obviously you can also hide the whole element if you want. And again, if you go here and you switch to the text mode, you could easily either choose the paint roller or right click and all the items will be blurred. Well, that's all there is to it. I hope you like this and I'll see you in the next video.